What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I am going to make a delicious and vibrant bread from the outlet Outback Steakhouse. This bread is super easy to make, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly we need to combine all the ingredients into a bowl and we have to make a soft dough and we have to proof it for like about 2 hours. This is a healthy bread which is made with the whole wheat flour. You can use rye flour as well as almond flour to make it more delicious and give it a vegan touch. That's all for today guys. I hope you like this video and my recipe. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.